we know that all substances are made up of atoms, and inside the atom we have got neutrons and protons within the nucleus. So this is a pictorial representation of an atom, and inside the atom we have got the nucleus. This is of course not drawn to scale. Inside the nucleus we have got protons and neutrons. Protons are positively charged particles and neutrons are neutral particles. In the extranuclear region of an atom, we have got electrons, which are tiny particles that actually form an electron cloud that encapsulates the nucleus. The electrons are negatively charged, and the magnitude of the charge on the electron is called as small e, which is one of the constants of physics, and it happens to be 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 coulombs. So this is called as the electronic charge. Typically, these electrons are moving so fast around the nucleus that they form an electron cloud. If we go deep into the concepts of quantum mechanics, then we would rather say that the electrons exist as wave particles rather than only particles. And to be more precise, they exist as waves and they appear as particles whenever they interact with some form of measuring systems. So here the electrons are moving very fast around the nucleus, and the approximate speed with which the electrons move, their velocity v, is given as approximately in the order of 10 raised to 6 meters per second, which is a very high velocity. The net charge that is present on the nucleus, the net charge is plus Ze, because Z is the number of protons and E is the charge of each proton. So on the nucleus plus Ze charge is present. Whereas on the electron cloud minus Ze charge is present. So this is how we describe the atom, and the electrons, protons and neutrons are called as our fundamental particles. The electrons typically revolve in circular or elliptical orbits around the central atom. We hereby remark that the SI unit of charge is called as coulombs. So this is the SI unit of charge. Here we have written it as C, which is essentially coulombs. So the C that we have written down over here stands for coulombs. The CGS unit of charge is called as ESU, electrostatic unit. This is the CGS unit of charge. So the SI unit is coulomb and the CGS unit is called as ESU.